Hello student, ninth class, welcome to 4.3 exercise, question number 5, 6 and 7. Today you solve here question number 6 and 7. First how your question number 6. If the work done by a body, application of a constant force F directly proportional to distance s traveled by body. Express this the form of equation, two variables and draw two graph here taking the constant equal to 5 unit. Also read from the here graph and the work done of a distance travel of a body is a if 2 unit and 0 unit. Okay, now here question here, if we apply the force of any body according to question, the cover of a distance of d. Okay, now here force of any body, the distance of cover of any distance. Force directly depend to here distance. You make of a many forces, much forces, then here body traveling of a more distance. If the u apply here less force, then body also cover distance also less. Okay, the force directly dependent to here d. This sign is called by proportional sign, is called by here science language independent. So F directly dependent to here d. If this sign is converted by F to equal to you write by any constant. This constant value given your book, constant 4 is 5 unit, then k equal to given 5. Okay, now we draw to here graph this equation, right? So suppose f here x and d here y. Okay, make of a 3 solutions, write by. So what is the equation? This x equal to 5y, right? The x and it is the y. So we suppose the value of y, any y 0, 1 and 2, right? If x equal to suppose to here 0, sorry, y equal to suppose to 0, you find 5 into 0, it is means 0. If y equal to 1, then 5. If x equal to 5 into 2, your answer is 10. Okay, draw to here this graph. Okay, 4 part of your graph paper, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. One same distance here 1 unit. Okay, there minus axis, it is the x axis, it is the x dash, y axis is the y dash. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You make of this question as a graph. First 0 comma 0, it is the your 0 comma 0. First x equal to 5, 1 2 3 4 5 and y equal to 1, positive 1, it is this point 1 2 3 4 5, the point here 5 comma 1. Second x equal to if 10, y equal to 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and y there 2. Suppose this point is 10 comma 2 and draw to here a line, linear line. This line is your f equal to 5d, right? It is the line of f equal to 5d. It is your answer. Now this is the question of a given. This is the question you are given. Okay, 2 question more than, right? What is the question for here? 4.3 question, if travel of a unit if 2 unit, how you force are applied it. Okay, when if the y equal to 2, So how equal to your force are applied it, give the answer. And second, you here applied the here 0 forces. Okay, so now here you how many applied it. So if y equal to 2, so your answer is 10. If y equal to 0, so your answer is 0. है ना? According to your graph, you complete of questions. Question number 7. Yamini and Fatima, two students in a 9th class, together a contribution of 100 rupees, okay, Prime Minister relief funds, okay, in a earthquake. Given the question, suppose here Yamini is a collect of X rupees and Fatima also collecting in Y rupees. Both are here, plus is 100, okay, both total is 100 rupees collections. We draw to here graph x plus y equal to 100, v equal suppose 100 minus y. Make of equation 100 minus y. 1 2 3 makes minimum 3 solution. You find out. Okay, y equal to suppose of any numbers. We suppose of here big number because 100. So you suppose x y equal to 40, 50, 30, 20. Make of many solutions. If y equal to 100, you find x. Y equal to 40, so your answer x equal to 60. If 100 minus 50, your answer is 50. Divide by. If 100 minus 30, your answer is 70. Okay, similar is 20, your answer is 80. Draw to your graph. Okay, make of here 4 part of any graph papers. Each line is we usage in 10. Okay, 1 centimeter take to here unit 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, it is a minus sign. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 60. Okay, so you draw to your graph 60 comma 40, x equal to 60, you 60, y equal to 40. So which place of a matching? This is the place of match. This point also. Second, 50 and 50, both are 50 and it is the 50. Match of this. 70, x equal to 70. Okay, now. And y equal to 30. So 70 no match, so you draw to 80 no also. So you here 70, suppose 70 and 30. I think there. Draw to here graph. Okay, a line here called by x plus y equal to 100. Okay, complete this sum. Okay, suppose x and y, and yes, converted by unit, 1 centimeter equal to 100 unit. Okay, now next video solving the next questions number 8.